What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in beautiful downtown Chesterton, Indiana, on this gorgeous sunny day. Today we wanted to showcase this car that just come in. It's a 2019 Toyota Camry XSE. Really nice car. We're doing some paint protection film on it today, which we've already completed. He's going in kind of in sections on this. And this car, the lower rockers were beat the hell out of it. Doesn't have a lot of miles on it, so that's where it was getting it all. So we went in, we polished, we cleaned up, decon, washed the whole car for him. And our rocker kits, we extend so we come up the doors to about this level right here on all four doors. Full wrapped, we wrap inside to the seal kick plates. And actually this kit here, we extended, we got a piece that covers this whole area up here, stops right in here at my finger line, so it's all protected in here. And then we actually put a piece behind here in the rear bumper. It covers this area and follows all the way back here. He had some rock chips and stuff. We went in and touched them up with Dr. Color chip repair, leveled everything out, and this is the finished product. This is roughly a $600 job, so you don't need to spend a lot of money. Most important parts on the vehicle are your front end and your mirrors, and then you get into your rockers, and you can do those in sections and stuff like that and keep building from there. But we have packages, like I said, starting at $499 and up. Give us a shout at 219-628-0288 and we can tell you how we can protect your car affordably. You don't need to do it all, but we can get protection on there right away. Give us a shout. Love and happiness. Peace.